My drone. Today I tried to fly it, but I don't find out of it because I could not calibrate it. I'd be crazy. I try and try. I use some time, but I think I understand it now. So we try. I will show you how you do it. Everything is easy when you know how to do it, but the first time it's not so easy because the manual is not so fantastic like it should be. So here it is. Servo, everything. So now it's correct. So I have to put my iPad mini on this. And then we turn on this, like there. You see? Yes. So it's calibrated. It's very easy when you know how to do it. It takes 2 seconds. It's like a fake. It's like extremely stupid calibrating. Yeah, so it's ready for takeoff. My friends, today I drive this Parrot Disco for first time. I have been owner for this disco for a long time, for many months, but I could not drive it in the winter because it's too cold and difficult to land, because this is not a drone, this is a airplane, more than airplane. It's quick. So it's many things you should think about before you put this in the air, and I use much time. I read many articles, I see YouTube videos, I read manuals, I try to be prepared really good before I fly this thing, because I don't want to damage it first time I fly it, because it's too expensive. It cost like, when it was like $1,400. When this was new, it cost $1,400, and it's fantastic technology. And today I tested it out and I calibrated it like I tried yesterday, but there was so much wind. I'm glad I could not do it, because in the manual it is so extremely bad. They don't tell you so much things. So today I was prepared, calibrate easy like hell, and I stand there. Today it was near no wind, 2 meters a second wind. It's like nothing. It was fantastic day to fly these things. I jump out on a big field with grass. It's normally cows, they're animals, but today it was nothing. It's good, because if it was many animals I could not do it. Okay, I take it and I throw this in the air and zoom up to 60 meters in the air and begin to go around, zoom, and I fly it. One time it disappeared from me, because I used Apple iPad, and the screen, I could not follow the screen so good, and I have enough to see the drone in the air 60-70 meters high, and the speed, this maximum speed 80 kilometers, is fast. It's not like a drone, you can it's stand in the air and wait for you. This don't wait, zoom, very quick, zoom. So you have to be prepared always, and the landing was these things for me. I think it will be a big problem to land these things, but it wasn't not a problem. It was, I go maybe 400 meters away, turn around, take it with me. And when you take this little bit down, it don't go little like drone, it go quick, zoom. And then when it come to me, I touch this button and then it should go on the ground, but it don't happen. I think, what the fuck is this? It come against more near and near and near, and I think, what the fuck? I was near to touch one more time, but I'm glad I not do it, because when I begin to be a little bit afraid, then it stopped. But it take many seconds before it stopped. Took a little bit time, and then so everything go well. I'm extremely happy that the first flight go good, and it's a cool thing to fly. I hope it will be many more. So it's my first flight today with my Parrot Disco. Here is Parrot Chuck. My computer. So test my Android phone, and it's much better picture on this phone than it's on my Apple iPad. It's much better when I fly. It's much better quality on video. That's important. Flat trim. Yeah, perfect. Immediately go on this. This is flat trim. It's perfect. This white should be there like it's now. Then it's correct. So that was my first flight with my Parrot Disco, and it was very nice, very cool, but I was a little bit nervous because this is not a drone, this is a plane. It's quick. The drone stand in the air. It can stand there how long you want it to because it's a drone, but this is a plane. He go quick. He go to up to 85 kilometer, 80 kilometer. It's really quick. So I prepared much. I use long time. I see many videos on YouTube. I read, and try to prepare myself how much I could do, so everything will be okay. And today was my first flight, and it was cool. Everything worked good. What I was most afraid of was the landing. And I fly 400 meter, turn around, back turn. You have to take throttle down, you have to take speed down. The speed how much you can take down. And when you take it to go down, it goes so extremely quick down, vroom, right down, zoom. So you'll be a little bit afraid when you see zoom, straight down. And but it's an extremely cool thing to have in the air. It's cool to drive, but I have to use some more time to see if I like it, or but it's complete another thing than drone, and I understand it. I see so many videos on YouTube, the people who crash it, could not find it up in the tree and blah blah blah. So I use much time to prepare myself good, and I was prepared. I find an open field to fly. It was no people, no animal. It was on the mountain. It was nothing. It was an open field. And then I go on the 60 meter high, and I understand, okay, if I should land, I should fly some 100 meter away from it, turn it around, on the way back, I should press throttle down, speed down so much I can, because it's so quick. Speed down, and then take it down, and then it goes vroom, it goes so extremely quick down, like diving. And when it was so near me, I touched button stop, but you don't stop. I was a little bit afraid. What the fuck is happening? You don't stop, and go, and I think, what the fuck? I was near to touch one more time, and if I had do it here, zoom, go up in the air. So I'm glad I don't do it, because then you fall down. Everything went okay. My first flight okay. I'm happy for it.